Hello. In this video, we are going to learn the explanation of system.out.println. Why do we write system.out.println? What is the meaning of system.out.println? Now, we write system.out.println, all of you know, to print something on the console, whatever, any data type, any message. If we want to print on the console, we use system.out.println. So in this video, we are going to learn why do we write system.out.println. What is system, what is out, what is println. Now before that, you must know this API information. What do you mean by that? We have a class println. We have a class println and it has got so many methods. Two of the methods of println I would like to discuss here. They are print and println. Now both print and println are overloaded, meaning they can be used with various different data types. You can concat message, with any data type, etc. So these methods are overloaded methods. Now the difference between print and println is print displays the stuff on the console and keeps the cursor there itself, whereas println prints or displays the stuff on the console and it takes the control to the next line. So after that, if you print anything, it will be on a different line. In case of print, if you print another message, it will be on a same line. But in case of println, it will be on a second line. Okay. So this is the difference between print and println. Now these two methods are, you can clearly see here, these two methods are non-static methods, meaning whenever you want to call them, you must use the reference of print string. Okay, whenever you want to call print or println, you must use reference of print string. Okay, then look at class system. Again, class system has got so many things. If you open class system in the source view and look at class system, it has got so many things. From this discussion point of view, that is system.out.println, I would like to discuss this line inside class system. So inside class system, we have public static print stream out. What do you mean by that? It means out is a member of system. Okay, out is a member of system and that member is static. So you know what do you mean by static member? In order to access static member, no need to create the object of the class. So that means whenever we want to access this out, okay, whenever we want to access this out, we need not create the object of system. Why? Because out is static. We can simply say system.out. Okay, we can simply access out as system.out. Moreover, out is of what type? Out is of what type? It is of print string. So basically out is a reference of print string. Okay, out is a reference of print string and is a member of system. Please don't get confused when I say out is of type print string and out is a member of system. It's very simple. As suppose if I say class A and inside it if I say private int K. Okay, now if I ask you what is K, so you should answer K is a non-static member of A. Okay, K is an instance member or non-static member of A. And if I ask you what is the type of a K, then your answer should be K is of int type. Isn't it simple? Similarly, this concept is also simple. Out is a static member of system. But what is the type of out? Out is of what type? If I ask you, you should answer print string. So out is basically reference of print string. Okay. And one more thing. Here it is declared public static print string out. Inside this class system, out is somewhere initialized with proper object. Okay. Don't say out is null. If you say out is null, you are wrong. Inside system class, out is somewhere safely initialized. So don't worry about that. Out is not null. Okay. Now let us come to our system.out.println statement. Suppose we want to print hello. Okay. How will you explain? Whenever this is very important question in the interview, please explain system.out.println. So how will you answer? Let's say you want to explain this line system.out.println hello. So how will you explain? Here you can explain either from right hand side, that means you can explain hello, then you can explain println, then you can explain out and then system, or you can go from left hand side also. First explain system, then out, then println. But my suggestion is you should always start from the right, because that makes your answer simpler as compared to when you go from left hand side. How? I will explain you. So suppose you are explaining this, okay, to the interviewer, system.out.println hello. So first you say like that, what we want to print on the console? Hello. So hello in double quotes in the bracket. What we want to display? Hello. So hello will be in double quotes in the bracket. Then which method we will use to print or display that? Println. Okay, that is clear. Println. But wait, println is what in the diagram? Println is a non-static method of print stream. And you know object-oriented programming concept. If you want to access or if you want to invoke non-static method of a class, you must use a reference of that class. So can we see any reference of print string? In order to invoke println, we must use reference of print string. So can you see any reference of print string in this page? Yes, it is out. Since out is a reference of print string, we have to use out in order to call println. Okay, out is a reference of print string and println is a non-static method of print string. So out dot println. Now here you take a pause. Okay, here you take a pause. Out dot, because you have already explained out dot println. Okay, now you ask yourself, what is out? What is out? If I show you this page again, what is out? So out is a static member of system class. Out is a static member of system class. And how do you access static member? Class name dot member. Class name dot member. That's why system dot out. And that's how you can explain what is system.out.println or why do we write system.out.println. Okay, hope it's clear. Thank you.